The first step to buying a home is getting pre-approved. And I know you've probably heard this many times before in your research, but I can't say it enough. It puts you in the driver's seat in so many situations, whether it be multiple offers or negotiation in general. Plus, you have to know what you can afford. Not only what you can afford, but where your comfort level is, because more than likely you are going to be approved for a lot more than you want to spend. Just because you're going to be pre-approved for a larger amount doesn't necessarily mean you have to purchase a home at that price. You want to look at your monthly payments, your bills, and all of your other debt so you don't become house poor, because there's nothing worse than that. Also, when we're looking at multiple offers, I've had several situations where people have lost out because they call me up out of the blue and say, I really want to see this home. They're a referral from a past client. Of course, I'm going to show them the home. But ultimately, they fall in love with the house, but there's nothing I can do to help them get it, because by the time they get pre-approved, the house is sold. It's not that the pre-approval process takes a long time. It's just one of those situations where you have to go through the process, get it out of the way. You'll know where your comfort level is. You'll know what type of home you want to buy as far as a purchase price, and it'll all fall into place for you so that if you do end up in a multiple offer situation, or just you found a home that you love, you won't have to wait and lose it to somebody else because you didn't do the important steps first, which is getting that pre-approval. It makes all the difference in the world. And lastly, I also want to mention who you choose for a loan officer and a lending company is really important. You always want to be local. Make sure that whoever it is that you hire is someone that has a local phone number and an address, that if you had to go in and speak to them, you could A, get them on the phone, and B, you could go into their office. Don't get pre-approved from some lender that's online with a 1-800 number. You will stand in a queue forever. You'll never have a certain person that you're working with. There'll always be someone different, and they drop the files all the time and make mistakes. You have to get somebody who knows what they're doing that's local. That's the best advice I can give you. You get going on that, and I can tell you the journey to buying a home is going to be a lot easier for you for many different reasons.